This house has awesome views. It's a very interesting three-story. The top story here is what we're in here now is the master bath, and that's your master walk-in. And there's your shower. This is the master bedroom. This is the guest bathroom. It's nice and big. It's also have 2 sinks in it. Cabinetry. It's bedroom 2, and this is bedroom 3. The second floor is the main living quarters. We have brand new tile, and everything's been freshly painted. Formica countertops, and there's your washer and dryer. It's a really nice large living area. And here we have the guest bath. And as we go down, this landing here is the entryway to the front door. And then down here we have either your in-law quarters or an entertainment room. It's perfect for in-laws or perhaps a teenager. It's got its own area right here, which is very convenient because this opens up into the garage, so the roommate or in-law has easy access to the garage. Welcome to your new home.